Hey guys, Professor Alex Bell. So 3 weeks ago, I had a really intense sore throat, and I had to do something about it, and really quick, because it was so painful. So I tried all the remedies, but they didn't seem to help. So then my mom came up with some suggestions, and I'm gonna share with you how we get over it in just 3 weeks and 5 days, I believe. So the first step is vitamin C. Now I use this vitamin C that my mom's friend recommended because, well, she had a sore throat, and this vitamin C helped her get over it in just 1 or 2 days. And if you take the vitamin C, it's really great for you because, well, you don't get another sore throat for a long while. And then there's your prescriptions. Now I use this prescription that I got from that my mom actually got for me, sorry about that, from Harpel's. Now trust me, this will work as long as you take 2 per day, 1 in the morning, and 1 by night, by the evening. Sorry about that, drop the cap. So as you all get the idea, I would highly recommend the vitamin C the most because it really helps you get over it in just 1 or 2 days. Well, that's how it helped me. Sorry about that, just itchy. So hope you've enjoyed this video. Add to favorites if your sore throat got cured with my suggestions. Subscribe for more videos, and I will see you in another episode of whatever it is I'm at. Bye.